Women attacked at Soshanguve crossing mall for SL_eating with a married man and wife get miscarriage. A video of a woman attacking another woman who work at a shop in Soshanguve crossing mall is making rounds on social media. According the source, the woman who has been attacked left with this woman's husband when she was pregnant. A source close to the wife told us that the wife once caught them red-handed while she was pregnant, and as a result she was admitted in hospital because of depression and ended up losing the baby. Cheating can cause serious damages in people's life, so Mzansi let's respect other people's partners and have self-control to avoid pain in other people's lives.